are in Lake City, Colorado. We are here for the Winter WhiteOut. We are high in the Rocky Mountains today, and we're going to...
beautiful Lake San Cristobal.
Absolutely. And they also have some pond hockey going today. We're going to film that, but they also have a BrewSki going as well. So Lisa is going to participate. A couple snowshoe, babe. Let's see it. Oh, yeah. And we're going to walk around, check out. We're going to talk to some of the awesome people here in Lake City as well. And then we're going to go into town and check out a little bit about Lake City, give you guys kind of a rundown, and of course, go to the Lake City Brewing for the beer of the week. All right. We're here with Kat from Lake City, and she is...
I am the executive director for the Lake City Hinsdale County Chamber of Commerce.
All right, and she's going to give us a little rundown about the events today, so tell us what you got, Kat.
All right, so beautiful Saturday morning. Of course, in Lake City, we're on Lake San Cristobal. We have two events today. One is, you can see right behind me, we've got a pond hockey tournament that is an annual event. And the other is we have the BrewSki. So it's about a mile-long course, and there's 6 different stations with 6 different brews from the local brewery here in town, which is the Lake City Brewing Company.
Right on.
This is only the second time I've ever been in snowshoes, and this one is maybe coming loose on me, so you might see me take a spectacular tumble at some point, so that should be entertaining. And thanks to the sportsman in town for lending me the gear, Darren and his wife Tara. Station 1 of the BrewSki here. We have the Lake City Brewing Cream Ale, so that's going to be a lighter style. It's really nice, actually. It's got
it breaks through real bad.
A nice multi-back though. All right, here I am. I'm filming on my own now. Roger's launching the drone. Eagle 1, as I like to call it. So we're just about to try the second beer here. Yeah. Okay, station 2 here. I've got a Lake Town Brown, and we're gonna give that a try. I also got a cookie at this station, which is fantastic. Very nice. Alrighty.
Bug, bird? What is that?
That'd be great. Yeah, well, if it's scratched, just get a new one.
Might be a bird. We might have to do something.
Oh, so that's nice. It's actually got a kind of a nice roasty quality going on.
Enjoy. I think I'm about ready to get up.
Nice and clear and clean though. So not too bad.
Brought my chair.
We're back at Station 3 here at the Lake City, Lake San Cristobal BrewSki. Roger's buzzing that drone around my head and everyone's getting a kick out of it. Alright, I've got my San Juan Pale Ale here, Station 3. Here we go.
I love your hats.
He was nice enough to share.
It's good. I get a little bit of pine, grassy hop out of it, but not too strong. Very refreshing. So approaching Station 4 here isn't a race. I'm sort of trying to catch up to the first group to leave. Probably took off about 10 or 15 minutes behind them. But I figure since I'm a runner and a champion beer drinker, I should actually be able to win this non-race. So wish me luck with that. are, Station 4. A little bit of a traffic jam up here. That's all good. So we'll see what beer is waiting for me here. So it looks like we got some IPA here. My favorite. Elephant Corral IPA.
I thought if I go up and they come down over there, they're not going to ever know. So I just waited for them.
Yeah.
Okay, my favorite, of course, super dank, hoppy, really nice golden color. Loving it. All right, Station 5 here, and I've got the Red Cloud Scotch Ale. I don't know if we've talked about it yet, but Scotch is actually Roger's favorite style. We'll get into that at some point, I'm sure, but here we go.
Does that cup have a lake in it? Or?
I think it does.
Oh, gee.
It's okay though. Final station with a Matterhorn Malay Stout.
Hey guys, we just finished up out at the Lake City Winter WhiteOut.
I'm a little tongue-tied too. It's cold.
And so we fixing to cruise around and check out some more Lake City. But first, we are here at the Lake City Ice Climbing Park. So we're gonna walk up here, check this out. These guys are pretty amazing. We are in Lake City Brewing. After being on the lake with the BrewSki, Lisa has decided on her beer of the week, and I can't even find the can. There it is. Okay. And so I'm going to turn it over to Lisa here, and we're going to do her beer of the week. What's your beer of the week, Lisa?
All right, this is a Matterhorn Malay Stout. And this was the final beer. It is the darkest and richest of the beers we tried today, so that makes sense when you're doing a tasting to progress in that fashion. So this is, the flavor profile is echoing a mole sauce, very rich, deep, earthy flavors, lots of chilies in there, sometimes some chocolate, cinnamon. So this definitely has that going on, especially the cinnamon. The cinnamon I got up front as soon as I tasted it on the lake, which I love. I think that's a really cool thing to put in the beer. And then the other neat thing going on here is that a lot of the beers here are named after mountains nearby, so that's pretty cool. All right, so yeah, cheers.
Lisa's beer of the week.
I don't know my name. I don't play by the rules of the game. So you say I'm just trying. So I pray you are my sister's friend. You get along quite nicely. And you ask me why I cut my hair and change myself from me to find my way.
Yeah! Right on. Well, guys, that's it for us for Lake City, Colorado. Hope you enjoyed hanging out with us. We had a great time. Hope you did too. We'll definitely be back here. It's such a beautiful place in the mountains. If you guys get a chance to come here, winter or summer, it's just flat amazing here.
Yeah, it's truly remote.
I don't think we got into it, but it is the only town in Hinsdale County, so that makes it, I believe, one of the most remote counties in the United States. So yeah, we recommend it. And speaking of that, if you'd want to recommend anything to us, places to go, beers for me to try, anything I'm missing super cool that I should know about, just hit us up in the comments and let us know. All right?
Awesome. Sounds great. All right. Thanks, guys. And remember to subscribe. Remember to hit that notification bell and give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. We would appreciate it very much. We love the input, and we will see you guys in the next video.
See you next time.
Thanks again for hanging out with us. Later.
Bye.